Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 244. This ended Thursday, April 15, 2021 for one box of Series 2 Hobby, and this is the 8th box of case number 3. And this case has been pretty good, and there's still something to give, I promise you that. This serial number was listed in all 31 NHL listings, and we will show that before we open up the box, so you do know we are opening the box we said we would. Everybody here has been with me before, and everybody here has paid. So let's get to it. Chthonic 1409 has the Bruins, the Hurricanes, the Jackets, the Canadiens, the Devils, the Rangers, the Leafs, and the Winnipeg Jets. Kraka 12 owns the Chicago Blackhawks. Digre 145 has the Avalanche, the Wild, and the Sharks, and the Tampa Bay Lightning. Equinox 8771 has the Coyotes and the Red Wings. Hoser 63AB has the Panthers. JM Kurt has the Ducks. K.A. Steen has the Dallas Stars. Rebum 3 has the Vegas Knights. Robho 6649 has the Sabres. Cy 34344 has the Oilers and the Islanders. Sergeant B has the Ottawa Senators, the Vancouver Canucks, the Calgary Flames, the Philadelphia Flyers, and the St. Louis Blues. And rounding us out, Welly8488 has the Kings, the Predators, the Penguins, and the Washington Capitals. All right. Let's remember that serial number, 429553, as I switch over to the webcam. Okay, so the sticker is on top, but I'm going to show it as best as I could, and then when I take it off, I will show it again. So you can see the 429553, but it's a little blocked. I was able to pull it over when I listed it, and there it is, the 553. So I'm going to take it off, the saran wrap, because the upper deck symbol was right on it, and then I'll show it again. Okay, guys? All right, let's get to it. Good luck, everybody. So let's take that off. It happened to land in a awkward spot. And let's show that again without the saran wrap blocking it. And I want a better view on that. Oh, come on. 429553. I don't understand why it doesn't. There we go. 429553. As promised, as advertised. Yeah, once in a while there's a one of the little upper deck symbols right over the serial number. Makes it a little bit more difficult, but nonetheless, we got it done. And here we go. 24 packs. I am excited to see what the case hit will be in this box. We have some, we are due for some big cards still. And our first hit is a Rookie Materials Morgan Geekie for your Carolina Hurricanes. Way to start us off. And we'll be looking for the French variant, canvas cards, and suit variants. Each pack has a hit. Young Gun incoming for your, wow, Montreal Canadiens. Alexander Romanov. Congratulations to Montreal. Wow. The cards are hot in this box. In this case, I mean. We are going again tomorrow night. Hope to see you guys then as well. Oh, sticking. Okay, we're good. Marquee Rookies, Victor Soderstrom for your Arizona Coyotes. There are 2 packs with 2 hits. A Upper Deck Portrait Rookie pack and a Dazzler pack have 2 hits. The Upper Deck Portrait card, like this one, sometimes has a French variant behind it. Upper Deck Portraits, Vitek Vanacek for your Washington Capitals. And no French variant in this pack. We have a marquee rookies for your Dallas Stars, Joel Kravotna. Just want to make sure that the computer doesn't time out on me. We have another Upper Deck Portrait rookies, not bad for your Colorado Avalanche, Bowen Byram. And we do have the French variant right behind it, also for your Colorado Avalanche, Ryan Graves. So there's one pack with 2 hits. It did not land on a French Young Gun like it did yesterday, but still do. Evgeny Malkin for your Pittsburgh Penguins. Canvas. Young Gun incoming. And it's going to be randomized between your Buffalo Sabres and your Ottawa Senators, Dylan Cousins and Tim Stützle. So stay tuned to the end of the break. We'll put that aside because we're going to have to randomize that card. And we have a Ryan Nugent-Hopkins Upper Deck Canvas card for your Edmonton Oilers. Congratulations to Edmonton. I know there's only one French variant per pack per box, but I like to be a little thorough. Young Gun incoming for your San Jose Sharks, Nikolai Knizov. Congratulations, San Jose. We have an award winner, Victor Hedman for Tampa Bay. Congratulations, Tampa Bay. We have a retro Mackenzie Entwistle for your Chicago Blackhawks. Oh, did we get out of focus here again? There we go. It's nicer for the video for you guys to see every card go through. Young Gun incoming for your Montreal Canadiens, Lucas Vigenmo. Congratulations to Montreal. 2 Young Guns for them this box. We have a award winners blue Leon Draisaitl for your Edmonton Oilers. Fantastic hockey player. We are still waiting for somewhat of a case hit and a few more Young Guns and a blue Dazzler. Hopefully the canvas card that comes with the Dazzler is a Young Gun. We have an Upper Deck Portrait rookies, Nick Robertson. Had a good game tonight with the Leafs. Unfortunately, another loss for Toronto against Winnipeg. Another Upper Deck Portrait rookies, this time for Pittsburgh Penguins, Emil Alarmi. Congratulations to Pittsburgh. We have a marquee rookies, Igor Zamula, for your Philadelphia Flyers. Oh, did we lose focus again? There we go. A lot better today than it was yesterday. So we got the angle back. Young gun incoming. For your San Jose Sharks, John Leonard. Congratulations to San Jose. We have a Martin Necas, a very good hockey player, for your Carolina Hurricanes. Still about 5 packs to go. Dazzler coming up. So the canvas is coming. And the canvas is a Victor Olofsson for your Buffalo Sabres. And the canvas is a Keith Yandel Blue Dazzler for your Florida Panthers. So there's the 2 packs with the 2 hits. That's why I say there's 26 hits. Young gun incoming for your Washington Capitals, Philip Mallet. Congratulations to Washington. That is why there's a 50-cent per team charge. You may not get a hit, but it's a group collection for all the packaging and product that needs to go out with Series 2. Usually it's free, but that's for higher end items. We have a marquee rookies, Stuart Skinner for your Edmonton Oilers. We have a marquee rookies for your Vegas Knights, Reed Duke. And final pack, let's hope we end it with a bang. We have a, wow, rookie breakouts. Never haven't had one of these, so this is the case hit. And it's sticking out a little bit. So this is like a box filler. Numbered out of 100 for your Dallas Stars. Thomas Harley. Wow. That is a nice looking card. That's like the box filler card that I got last case. That is definitely a case hit. Congratulations to Dallas. Very nice card. Okay, let's randomize that Cousins and Stutzel. Get you back over to the internet. I mean the screen, and we're going to type in Ottawa, Buffalo, Ottawa, Buffalo. And the team that ends up at the top after 3 randomizations will get that card. Here we go. Once, twice, and a third and final time. It is going to your Ottawa Senators. Congratulations, Ottawa. I'll make note of that. And hope to see you guys tomorrow night. Thanks, everybody.